Wow, for a moment I got scared. Wow. Because I have never done this kind of stupid stuff before. Oh, where I am? I think I am lost. Hello and welcome back everyone. Today our plan is to go to a park with a family. So it's a family trip and we are now waiting for my dad, my Chinese dad. Soon he will be arriving and we will move to pick up my daughter and my wife. He just arriving now and let's see and ask him where exactly this is the place where we are going today. Hello Baba.
你好，
Baba, 我们今天去哪儿？
上朝鲜
那个第一个地方。
第一个地方，
第一个，
我选的第一个。
对，
我看看是哪儿。
So he recommended me some places yesterday, and we chose one of them, and now we are going to that place, and let's see.
第一个地方，啊，南宫。
Okay, the place we have chosen today is called Beijing Film
也不远，也不近。
Television Base.
一个小时，对吗？
一个多小时。
Bohai County,
Oh,
which
that's
is
my
in
little
Daxing
daughter.
County,
And
it is
she
20
is
kilometers away from the
在
city
山西
center, and it
province
covers an area of 300,000 square
那
meters.
你的车在哪
It is a
我哪个
multi-functional
火车呀？
large-scale film and
这个车
television
就在家
production
里，
city,
这车
which
主要
is
是你爸。
Today is too much traffic, and this might gonna take us a long time. According to the map, it says that 1 hour and 6 minutes, and it's almost 40 kilometers from here. Okay, so since it's already 1 o'clock in the afternoon and we find it a little bit late, so we have decided to go for lunch first, and after the lunch we'll come to this place. So, Sonoran Park. So we asked someone, they told us that they are going to shoot some movie over here, and they just made it artificially.
踩雪没事，别踩水。哇，
再往里头赶紧，里头雪山有一个，这点雪山。
哇，beautiful，
很结实的。
哇，太美了。
But it's too hard. It's not fluffy anymore.
Because this is artificial.
See?
让爸爸给咱拍，这边拍个照片，咱俩在这儿。
Just look at this one. And the sun behind gives an amazing impressions. The effects are beautiful. Wow, wow, look at that bridge. There is nothing under the bridge, but it's a bridge. So nice. And here is Insha, Daddy, and Jiangxia. There. I have very strong feelings that this place has a lot of religious activities, because I can spot a lot of stuff like this kind of statues which is related to Buddhism, I guess, and also a lot of ashes and the pots with those fragrant sticks. My princess! Very good. How did you come here? It was quite dangerous to come here. So, that seems so clean. That might be some religious stuff. Well, I'm trying to go in that boat. Let's see whether I can or not. But I think this is quite dangerous because this is broken.
After that,
I don't think it would be a good idea. What if that floating
because I
blocks
wanted to shoot
are not good
sun
and
I didn't want to miss
I directly
this
go inside the water?
so
And the thing is, I don't know how to swim.
Anyways, I had to take some risk.
So it's better to just take view from here. I'm not in Man vs Wild. I'm shooting real.